Credit Repair Scams 101. What is a credit repair scam? Certain credit repair scams target consumers with subprime credit scores and claim they can improve their credit score for a fee. Often, they will either overstate how much they can improve a consumer's score or falsely claim they can remove negative information from consumers' credit reports, even if that information is accurate. Credit repair scams often charge consumers a large upfront fee, but then fail to help them settle or lower their debts, if they provide any service at all. Here are some signs a credit repair organization may not have your best interests in mind. Charges an upfront fee. Assures a specific outcome or result. Encourages you to lie and dispute accurate information. Advises you to ignore credit reporting agencies. Fails to explain your rights. What if I want to increase my credit score? Building healthy credit is something that takes time, but there are several steps consumers can take to begin the process and set themselves up for financial success. Check your credit report regularly. Make payments on time. Know your credit utilization ratio. Consider how many credit accounts you have. Apply for new credit only when necessary. Consumers can check their credit reports weekly and for free at www.annualcreditreport.com. Make sure you go to the right website. There are reports of copycat scam websites.